Well, it is a Friday and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning representing a client. I had to enter my appearance, had to do that in person in court. Don't usually have to do that in the Delaware County. Still don't have electronic filing. And by the time we would have mailed it in, I would have to appear in court anyway. So did the entry of appearance, which isn't a big deal. Got an opportunity to speak with the assigned ADA on the case and discuss the case a little further with the client, and we received the day to come back, which isn't unusual. It is, people often ask about court appearances and why there's so many court appearances and it looks like nothing's happening. Unfortunately, that is the nature of court and litigation, whether it be on the civil or criminal side. You find yourself going to court for a few minutes, and even though it's raining and it might be a little cold, it's a pain, but we have to do it. So we did it this morning. Did come out with our weekly e-update today, which went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Came out with some good articles this week, one of which was featured on our blog, which was the 5 numbers you need to know with regards to breathalyzer test in Pennsylvania. New Jersey doesn't have a breathalyzer. It kind of is. It's called the alco test. It is a breathalyzer. You have to breathe into it, and a lot of the same principles that apply to the breathalyzer test in Pennsylvania apply to the alco test in New Jersey, especially with regards to the potential mouth contamination that the police officer has to be aware of, and the 20-minute observation rule that I discussed in that article. I'm going to link in to this video the link to our e-update, which would feature that article. I'm also going to link in the link to our website and the blog where you can read all of our latest articles. It is a great resource to have. We feature a lot on illegal search and seizure as well as DUI and DWI. It is Friday. It is the weekend. It's supposed to be cold, but there's no snow. So once things warm up, I think Sunday is supposed to be a little warmer. Tomorrow is supposed to be awful with the ice, but people will be out and about. I have a very busy weekend with my son and ice hockey. He has 4 games this weekend, and my daughter has a gymnastics competition. So we're busy like a lot of people, an early morning, late afternoon, and probably a late night. So it's a typical Saturday, but we make ourselves available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is a great resource. Also on the website are all of our all of our no-cost strategy books, which are great resources. You can download those at no cost to you and your family. We make those resources available because we believe an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result. If you are traveling this weekend through Pennsylvania or New Jersey, please don't drink and drive. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse that chemical test, whether it be a breathalyzer test, the alco test, or a blood test. Do not refuse those tests. It will never help your criminal case. Finally, in Pennsylvania, remember that Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very, very different gun laws. Do not take your Pennsylvania gun into New Jersey. The prosecutor's offices throughout New Jersey have a very, very tough stance on guns. While they can agree to, in some cases, a full grades waiver that would take down the possible mandatory minimum sentence, you don't want to be in that position of facing a possible 42-month mandatory minimum sentence in New Jersey, even if it's your first offense. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.